This is track 5 called Manners. It's a really interesting piece with a unique melody and rhythm.
You can easily judge the character of a man by how he treats those who can do nothing for him. Check your manners. Check your manners. Check your manners. Ooh, breach, did it matter? I am not a snitch, but I tell you, wasn't nice to meet you. C-L-E-Y, Gator, independent, not trust was least, but never made it. Ethics, just like my tie, so it deflated, just like that day. Son of a bitch who wanted to pierce me off later, stuck a nail in my tire on my last work day.
I know it's ridiculous.
Check your manners. Bitch, check your manners. Bitch, check your manners. Breach, did it matter? I am not a snitch, but I tell you, wasn't nice to meet you. See ya later, independent, our trust was faded. Check your manners. Bitch, check your manners. Bitch, check your manners. Breach, did it matter? I am not a snitch, but I'll tell you, wasn't nice to meet you. See ya later. Independent, our trust was faded.